Okay, okay.
Yeah, we listen. Now. Oh no, this marking scheme. Huh? I need this. I don't know. Okay, there we are. I sent this. The other one we'll do later. So let us look at this together. At least we do something. Huh?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So yes. Okay, and make sure you take some notes as we continue, because we are learning. Apart from revision, we are supposed to learn some things, some new things. So make sure you write something. Okay. Straight. Read the question. Read the question.
A straight line passes through points 3, 3 and 4, 2, determined by calculation.
Mm-hmm. Determined by calculation. There you are.
Determined by calculation the point at which the line cuts x-axis.
Yes. Yeah, I was increasing the font. Yes. Are you able to do that? Can you
No.
try that? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Alafu tuifanye. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, what is the gradient? Have you find the gradient?
Yes.
The
1
gradient
over
is
-7. 1 over
1 over
7.
1 over
-7.
so is -1 over 7. That is
Yes.
yes. Okay, sawa. Continue. It's okay. Haya, time is up. Yes, umepata ngapi? Okay, what is the equation? Do you have the equation with you?
Yeah.
No. Equation.
Oh. Y is equals
Not
to
yet.
30 minus 7x.
Y is equal
Y
to
is equals to 30 minus 7x.
30 minus 7x minus.
Yes.
Oh yeah, there is a minus here. Substitute for at x-axis y is 0. So find the value of x. Kumbe hata unamalizia, yes. Where the line cuts x-axis, y is 0. So find the value of x. You're almost there.
Chapter couple sijui mfano.
I'm saying
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm saying at x-axis, where the line cuts x-axis, y is 0. Where the line cuts x-axis, y is 0. So if you have the equation, then let the y to be 0. Haya, wacha tuifanye. Let us complete. Sawa.
Sawa.
Yeah. I believe you can see my board, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So umefika wapi? You have said y is what? What is the equation?
30,
Divide by 7.
30 minus
Divide by 7 both sides. Umepata y is equal to 30. 30. Minus what? 7.
7x.
And why that? Why that? Why are you getting that? Where are you getting that from? That. Hapa sipati 30. 7y minus 14 is equal to minus x minus 14. 7y is minus x. No, where are you getting that?
28 plus 2.
Wacha sasa tuifanye complete. Naona kuna mahali kuna shida. Let us do it here. Okay. So we have, make sure you have y minus 2. I'm using 2. I don't know the one we have used, but you can use any over x minus 4. Have you used this, or you have used the other one, the other point? But you should get the same answer.
Me, I've put
Which one?
the x minus 4 on top.
It is y change over x change. Sawa.
Oh,
Yeah, it is y change over x change. Over x change. alafu sasa ndio una cross multiply hivyo. Sasa tunaifanya haya, so 7 so you get 7 minus, I mean 7 times y, you get 7y minus 14. Sawa?
Yes.
Haya, malizia sasa. Yeah, complete. You get negative x plus 4.
Plus 4.
Yes, plus 4. Okay, so what is y? And after y, it has a challenge with writing. So find the value of y from this. Haraka haraka. Make y the subject of the formula.
One over y ni 1 over 7 x plus 18 over 7.
1 over 7 x negative
Plus
negative
18 over 7.
negative,
Negative.
Alafu
Yes.
ingine ni, and why 18? What is negative 4? Negative 14. You take it to the other side.
14 plus 4.
Not plus. It is plus. Oh yeah, so correct. Yes. 18 over, yeah, uko sawa, over 7. Yeah. Haya, so I'm saying where the line cuts x-axis, the point where the line cuts x-axis, y is 0. Y is 0. So what do we do? Tunaweka hii y yetu inakuwa 0, then we'll have 0 is 1 over 7x negative like that, plus 18 over 7. Sawa?
So
Have you written that? I'm saying a point that cuts x-axis, a point where the line cuts x-axis, y is 0. That one you should know, because it's the concept that we are using here. That concept is the one we are using here. Yes. Haya, sasa tafuta value of x from this. Find the value of x from this.
x ni 18.
Haya, sawa. That is the answer. And now we need a point, so it will be 18, 0. 18, comma 0. The coordinates. Sawa. Yes.
Sawa.
Umeelewa? Have you understood?
Yes.
Correct. X is 18. So the point is 18, 0, comma 0. Close the brackets. Like that. Okay, let's continue the second question. Okay, there we are. Hey, wait, sorry. Haya. Number 2. Number 2 iko hapo. 30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Number 2, 30 seconds. Nakupatia 30 seconds. You try 30 seconds.
These children are not safe. In our care, they will be safe. Because we're from the same cold streets as they are. And in our care, they won't be shipped away to colonies, or separated from kin, or made to work for men in the various ways. They will be here at home, law, and Birmingham. Yeah, my invitation for this election is obviously oversight.
720.
720. That is so it means you have used the what? You have find the what? The LCM.
Yes.
Okay, this question
Mm-hmm.
I want us to look at it clear. It is very common and it's tricky because now it's not direct the way we normally it as a question. So we have lengths of 3 wires. Kuna wire 36 meters, another one 48 meters, and another one 60. Then from now 36, 48, and 64, we need to cut small pieces of wire. So for example, from 36, we need to cut some pieces. From 48, we need to cut some pieces. Again, from 60, we need to cut some pieces. Now the question is, how many pieces can we get? Now, do you think we are going to get, for example, with 36, 48, and 30, and 60, can we get a larger number more than what we have?
No.
No. So even if, yeah, so even if the question is calculate the least number of pieces, obtain the least, we cannot find the LCM. Rather, I mean, what we are going to do, we find the GCD, then we do something else to find the number of pieces. This is direct. This is not direct. Sawa sawa.
Yes.
See direct. Ni swali ambao ni tricky sana na ndio maana I love it by the way. So what we do, we find the GCD. Aya, tafuta GCD kwanza, then I tell you what to do. Because we need the number of pieces, not the length of the wire. If the question is find the length of the wire, basi. If you want the length of the wire that we can cut 36 whatever, we get after LCM. But now we need the number of pieces. So we have 36.
12.
12. Good. Haya, sawa sawa. Umetafuta vizuri. So GCD is 12. Correct. 12. Haya. Now, so what does this mean? It means the zile pieces tunaweza kata kutoka kwa 36, 48 na 60, those pieces they are supposed to have length of 12 whatever. Is it centimeters? Yes, 12 centimeters. Here wire, kapisi kamoja is supposed to have 12 centimeters. The other piece 12 centimeters. Sindio?
Yeah.
So let us find the number of pieces. So we take 36. We start with 36. You divide by the length, by the wire, the length. Ndio tupate how many pieces. Haya, niambie hapa ni ngapi? What do you get?
3.
3. Haya, fanya hizo zingine nazo. 48 divided by 12. These are the number of
4.
pieces tunatafuta sasa. Yes, 4. Haya, the other lastly
60.
not, yeah, 60 divided by what?
5.
Yes, you get
12. 5.
you get 5. Yes. Haya, so total number of pieces
12.
12. Okay, in this question we are getting the same 12, but in other questions we can get a different answer. So si lazima ikuwe ati ukiadd unapata hii ya GCD. So that's how we do this question. Hivyo ndivyo huwa tunaifanya hiyo swali. Yes. By the way, sikukwambia nafunza wapi. Nafunza another national in Mombasa. And this question huwa tunasema maswali kama haya. Very tricky one. Yes. If there is a school you can search, by the way, ndio unaweza ulizwa unafunza. Kwa sababu nataka pia unitafutie wanafunzi wengine. Nafunza Simultaneous National School in Mombasa. Sawa? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go back to the question. Okay. Okay, there we are. Hey, hey, sorry. We need to see need to present. Oh, okay. Number 3. Number 3 niliona kama iko na shida. Hebu try number 3. Try number 3. Although nimeifanya naona kama iko na shida. Try number 3. There it is. Try number 3. Okay, the first solution for the first inequality.
X is equals to -1. I mean, X is equals to 1.
Is equal or greater or less than?
No. X is 1. 1 is greater. X is greater than 1.
X is greater than 1. Haya, hebu tafuta hiyo nyingine. Niona kama iko na error. Niona kama mimi ndio sijaitafutia vizuri. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. That is okay. The other one.
X is 5 is greater or equal to X.
Oh, iko sawa. Okay. Haya, now iko sawa. I got that also. Vile siku combine, yes. So combine the two so that you write in you draw it or you show the solution on a number line. Hebu combine niambie unapata ngapi?
Nimemaliza.
Okay. I believe you have something like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then some arrows. Okay, x is greater than 1. Then 5, x is less than or equal to 5. Do you have something like that?
Yes.
Correct. Hiyo tumemaliza. Correct. If you have like that, then it's correct. So to number 4, number 4. Okay. Number 4 is there. Try number 4.
Yes.
I don't know whether you have. Do you have a mathematical table?
Yes.
Okay. There it is. Again, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah, the first part. What is the square root of 0.7359? Lots of time. Square root of 0.7359. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'm asking the square root of 0.7359.
Cha calculator yangu iko na shida.
And you don't have a mathematical table?
I have.
Okay. Okay. What are we going to do in this question? What are we supposed to do?
We find the logarithm of 0.7359, then divide by 2.
Logarithm. The question is, you find this using square root, squares, and reciprocal tables. So,
Oh, you change 0.7359 to standard form, so it will be 7.359
yeah.
times 10 power negative 1.
Yeah, then
you look it up in the parts table, find the
that is the square root.
yeah.
Then
Yes. Then you what you'll get, you will minus from 2 the logarithm
minus
of 2.
Which 2? Which 2 are you talking about? The numerator.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, after finding the square root of 0.7359, you find the reciprocal. Ndio sasa ipande juu. You find the reciprocal of the answer. Sawa.
So
From the reciprocal tables, you find the reciprocal of the square root of 0.7359. When you find the square root of that, you find its reciprocal. Reciprocal ni kusema itapanda juu. So after finding the reciprocal, you multiply by 2, not subtraction. You multiply by 2. Those are the steps. Find the LCM, find the square root of what is given there. Find the reciprocal of the answer, then you multiply by the numerator.
So
then the other one is direct, square root. Use the same procedure, but you check on the square table. Sorry, the square table.
So
next time, tafuta a mathematical table or a calculator. And there we are, number 5. We are not using a calculator here. Haraka haraka. Try that also. Number 5. We are not using a calculator. Hello.
Hello.
Do you have an idea?
No.
No. Unaniambia. If you don't have an idea, tell me. It's not, okay. Here we apply the law of indices. Let me copy the question because I want to go to the working. Yeah. Let us do it together. Hello.
Hello.
Let us do it together. Sawa.
Sawa.
Okay. Now we are not using a calculator, but so we need to write into we need to apply the concept of indices. The concept of indices. So how when I look at what we have 256, we have 32, and we have 4. So we take a base. We take a certain base from the prime numbers, and we start with the 2 to want to come it work. And I can see 2 can work. So what is 256? How can we write 256 in 2 power something, 2 power x?
Yes,
It is
2
2
power
power
8.
what? Good.
8.
I don't know many, yeah, many 2 power 8. Can you see my screen? My board?
Yes, yes.
Okay. 2 power 8. Then I can see there is a small y there over y. Sawa.
Yes.
All over. 32. 2 power
5.
Good. Then I can see square root. How do we write square root in terms of power?
You write the power and then you divide it by 2.
So it is 5. It will be 5 over 2. Simply 5 over 2. Sawa. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then you multiply by 4. It is 2 power 2 power 2. Then there is y. Sawa.
Yes.
We can take 1 to the other side. We can take 1 to the other side such that we have is equal to 1. But now, what is 1? How can we write 1 in terms of base 2? It is 2 power what?
2 power 0.
Correct. Now, let us take the denominators upward. Uzichukue juu. So we'll have step 2 now. We'll have 2 power 8, and I believe you are writing also 2 power 8 over y. Then you multiply by 2 power. What happens when you take the base 2 upwards? It becomes what?
Division.
No, I'm saying it is division. Nataka to equal multiplication. What do you do to the index? You change the sign,
You
huh?
reciprocate.
You change the sign. Sawa. So it is 5 over 2. So it will be negative 5 over
5 over 2.
Yeah.
2.
Correct. Then you do the same to 2 power 2x. I mean 2i. So it will be times 2 negative
Negative
2
2 power
y. Sawa is equal to 2 power what? 2 power 0.
0.
Is it okay up to that point?
Yes.
Correct. What will happen to the bases? Bases are common. So you just take the indices. So you have 8. Na hapa sasa wewe ndio utaendelea because now it will take time. So 8y minus 5 over 2 y, then minus 2y is equal to 0. Haya, malizia hiyo sasa. Tell me the value of y. Malizia hiyo. Complete that. Yes, there it is.
Y is 2.4.
2.4. Wacha kidogo. When you substitute, will you hebu jaribu kusubstitute, ndio najaribu kuifanya. Kuna mahali nilikuwa nimekosea kidogo. Try to substitute to see whether you're going to get the same. The statement is correct. Yes, have you gotten the same? naona kama inakataa, so it is not 2.4. Try again.
Yes.
Try again. The answer is not 2.4.
Pia mimi nimepata 2.4.
I'm saying the answer is not 2.4 when you substitute inakataa. So wacha tuangalie tena. Give me 30 seconds tuone. Babata, are you still getting 2.4?
Yes.
inakataa. 2.4 inakataa. Aya. Let us do this, huh? Wacha tu let us do it. Wacha tumfanye. 2.4 inakataa. I don't know why.
No.
Yeah, inakataa. Y by Y. Y by Y. Oh. Na nimeona mahali tunakosea. Hivyo watu so The answer is 0.94. Hello.
Hello.
The answer is around 0.94.
Okay.
Sawa.
Tunafanyaje?
Here it is. Let's continue with this. So I can see we have like terms together. We have 5/2, and we have 5/2y minus 2y. What do you get? What is 5/2 minus 5/2y minus 2y? What do you get?
A half.
Yes.
A half y.
Are you sure? Negative 5/2y minus 2y is the same as adding. Because I have minus, then minus. 5/2 plus 2 is like adding. Yes. Ryan.
Yeah.
Nasema 5/2 ni sawa na 2.5. 5/2 ni sawa na 2.5. Minus 5/2 minus 2 is like adding 2.5. That is 2.5 plus 2. What is 2.5 plus 2? 2.5. Kilo 2.5 ongeze 2.
4.5.
4.5. Sawa, ndio hii nimeandika 9/2 because 4.5 is the same as 9/2. Sawa.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, 9/2 ni sawa na 4.5. Umeelewa hapo?
Yeah.
Correct. Let us remove, and I believe you can see my board. Let us remove the denominator by multiplying by y each and every term. Yeah, each and every term. I multiply here. What do you get?
8.
Sorry.
8
Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2y, not 2, not y. There is a 2 somewhere. Multiply by 2y, that is LCM. Yes, you get?
16 minus 8
Yes.
minus 9 is equals to 0. Minus 9y.
Sorry, 16. 16 minus 9y. 9y squared.
Yeah.
9y squared, huh?
Yeah.
Minus. Nilikuwa nimeacha 2 somewhere. I mean is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Nilikuwa nimeacha 2. Okay, so this is the same as 16. Unafaa umalizie. Complete now. Complete this. Find the value of y. The answer is 3/4. I mean 4/3. The answer is 4/3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I had left 2. Kuna 2 nilikuwa nimeacha. Sorry for that. The answer is 1/3. That is the value of 1. Sawa. Are you together?
Yeah.
Okay, proceed to the other question.
This visit is meant to be about making things right. George will go and stand to shoot himself. Take a house.
Haya, umesema huna mathematical table, so we'll do number 6 later. Haya, number 7. Hello.
Hello. Cha niko na maths table.
Uko na maths table? Sasa ungekuwa umetafutia square root using mathematical table, but it's okay. Haya, tafutia hii. How many seconds? 1 minute. Ndio hiyo. There it is. Haraka haraka. Any idea?
Yes.
Okay, endelea.
You say this attention is to narrow
Movie, are you ready? Movie. Are you ready? Lamuna, na mai da waka wala kana. Kala kire. Aya,
Bado niko karibu kumaliza.
Okay. Go on. Okay, udah yang coba pakai agak.
Nada kama hapo. Yeah, serious. Yeah.
Hello. Ayo dulu. Hello.
46.58.
The value of? How was the question?
46.5.
How was the question? You find the what?
Use log
The
table.
two. Oh, tuko kwa table. Okay. So sorry, I was in another question. 46 point.
58.
Do you have a calculator?
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes.
Yeah, hebu finya hizo number and then you see whether you are right. There's a finya hizo number kwa calculator, then you direct. Uone kama umepata. I did not do that, so but you're going to know right away. Hello.
Hello.
Are you getting the same using logarithm?
Yes.
Direct
Yeah.
from the calculator. Ufinye wait. Ufinye 6.373 log. Ufinye log 4.948. You can get the answer for that. Then over 0.004636. Then power 0.5. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes.
Sawa. Then you are right. Hiyo sikuwa nimeifanya. Haya, so let's look at number 7. Let's look at number 7. It's an application question for algebra.
Cha, I have no clue.
Okay. Now, but are you getting the question?
Yes.
We andika mahali. Write it somewhere because I want to go to another page. Write this question somewhere. Faster. Write the question.
Done. I'm done.
Okay. Okay, read the question. Read the question.
A two-digit number is such that the sum of the ones digit and the tens digit is 10. If the digits are reversed, the number exceeds the original number by 54. Find the number.
Okay. Let the digits be x and y. Let the digits be x and y. Sawa. Those are
Yes.
the digits. X and y. Let the digits be x and y. Then there is something there we are told that when you add the digits, so we are going to form equations. So if x and y, so when you add the digits, so x plus y is equal to what?
10.
Is equal to
No.
10.
10.
10. Okay. Then we are told when you reverse the number, the number you get exceeds the first one by 54. So how do we write the number? For example, I mean, y is on the x-axis. Sorry, is on the ones. Y is on the ones. X is on the tens. Sindio?
Yes.
Meaning, what I want to happen? Let's assume the number is 12. There's something I want to show you. Some idea. Let's say our number is 12. For us to get 12, you must take this one times 10, kwa sababu 1 is on the tens, alafu sasa uongeze 12. Si ni kweli? Uongeze 2.
Yes.
Ndio upate 12. Right?
Yes.
Now we are going to use the same concept here. So our x is on the tens. So our number now will be 10x plus what? 10x plus what? Plus y.
Why?
Haya, now when you reverse, itakuwa sasa, when you reverse, itakuwa 10y. Sasa y ndio itakuwa kwa tens, 10y plus what? Plus what?
X.
Plus x, yes. Okay, so we are told when you subtract the second number, that is, I mean the value, you get 54. So we are going to take 10y plus x. This is the number after we reverse, like that. When you subtract, hapa lazima tutumie bracket because we are subtracting the whole of it. When you subtract our number now, 10x plus y, what do you get? 54.
54.
Yes. Haya, tusaidiane hapa. Let us now subtract 10y minus y because of the bracket. 10y minus y, you get
9y.
9y. X minus 10y.
Negative 9y. 9x.
9x is equal to 54. Sawa.
Yes.
We can simplify this by dividing by 9 each and every term. So you get y minus x is equal to
54.
You divide it by 9 each and every term is equal to
6.
Correct. It's equal to 6. So now we have our two simultaneous equations. We have y minus x is 6. Then we have x, ile ya kwanza, x plus y is equal to what? To 10. Are we together? Ile ya kwanza. I now solve these simultaneous equations. Tell me the answer. Solve the simultaneous equations. You tell me the value of x and the value of y. Very fast. Very fast. Yes.
Two x 2
X is 2. Sawa. X is 2. Y.
8
Correct. So the number will be vile tumeipanga hapa x and y.
28
Hapa. So the, yeah?
28.
28. Correct. Very correct. Now this is our answer. And it is true because when you reverse the number, when you take 2 plus 8, you get 10. When you reverse the number, you get 82. When you take 82 minus 28, you get 54. So this is our answer. Have you understood?
Yes. Cha, niko na
Correct.
swali.
Yes.
Mbona hapa kwa 10y plus x minus 10x plus y tunaweka bracket?
Kwa sababu we are going to subtract, hii ni namba moja. 10x plus y is a digit number and it is the one that is being subtracted. So hiyo namba yote inakuwa subtracted. That's why we put a bracket, because we are subtracting the whole of it.
Oh.
Yeah, ni namba moja hiyo. Is only that it has 2 digits. Sawa?
Sawa.
So, any other question on the same?
No.
Okay. Hapo tumemaliza. Okay, let's proceed. We go to the next question. Here we are. Read the question. Read the question.
A cylinder of radius 14 centimeter contains water. A metal solid cone of base 7 centimeter and height 18 centimeter is submerged into the water. Find the change in height of the water level in cylinder.
Okay, try that. Yes, any clue?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Fanya umalize.
Kisha nimeshindwa.
Are you through?
Nimeshindwa.
Haya, iandike mahali, write it, huh?
Nimeshaandika.
Okay. Acha tutaifanya tu sai. Okay. So we are given some. We are told the height of the what? The height of the cone is what? 18, huh?
Yes.
And the radius 7. So how do you find the volume of a cone?
Base area times height.
Volume of a cone. Azad? Azad? By r square height, huh?
Yes.
Sawa.
So.
So this is Azad times 20/7. What is our radius? Our radius is 7. Our radius is 7 times 7. Sawa.
Yes.
Then times height. What is the volume? Haraka. What is the volume?
For 10.66666667. 924.
Yes. Yes. What is the volume?
924.
924. Okay. Now we are told that the corner is submerged on a cylinder with water. So what is the change in height? What is change in height? So the change in height will be due to the change in this volume. The change in height will be due to the change of 924 centimeter cubed volume. Sawa?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the one that will result to the change in height. Aya. What is the formula for finding the volume of a what? Of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder?
Pi r
It is
squared
pi.
height.
Good.
R
Pi
squared
r.
height.
Yeah, pi r squared height. Pi r squared height. Okay. Now, what we have is the volume. Because this volume is the one that will result to the change. So, 924 is equal to 22 over 7. What is the R of the cylinder? The radius of the cylinder? 14. Yes. Sasa tunatafutia height. Now we want to find the height. We want to find the height. Haya, tafuta height haraka haraka, algebra. This linear equation. Find the value of height. Find the value of height. What is the height?
21.
21. Are you sure? Oh, kuna squared hapa. There is squared, sorry. Kuna squared hapa. 14 squared. Yes. Find the height.
$1.5.
Correct. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes. And the reason why we have used this height, it is I mean this volume, because sababu we are not interested in the water that was present. Our interest is the volume of water that result to the change in height, and that is 924. So 924 is our interest. This volume here is what we are interested with, because 924 ndio inaleta hiyo change in height. Kwa sababu kwa hivyo tunatumia hiyo height, hiyo volume kutafutia height. Sawa sawa?
Yes.
Feel free to ask. That's why we are here. Okay, tuko na for 6. There we are. Number 9. Attempt number 9. Attempt number 9. Attempt number 9.
Okay.
Here. Here. Umepata ngapi? Have you gotten the answer?
Yes.
Yes. What is the answer?
5,973.15.
Wait a minute.